Bitcoin has just had a legendary MACD cross for the first time in 3 years. I'm going to tell you what happens next with this legendary cross. If you're new here, my name is Steve. Welcome in. On this channel, we do it different. When they go left, we go right. We base it all on the facts and the charts. Hit that subscribe button right now. You're going to love it here. On our chart, we're on the monthly chart, right? We have price action above. We have a couple key areas, and then we've got the MACD at the bottom. You can see we just had a cross. You can see we haven't had one in 3 years, and then the time before that was a couple years before that. Every handful of years we have a cross, we're going to be covering what happens next here with Bitcoin. But first, I want to give you a huge trade alert. Now, you watch our channel, you're well aware I don't give trade alerts very often, but when I do, you better pay attention, and you better pay attention fast because they're huge. The last two we gave was one on Facebook and one on Netflix. Here they are. We have the Facebook one. We gave the trade alert way down here and more than doubled in price. We gave the Netflix alert way down here and more than doubled in price. What would that feel like to double your next trade? Well, the trade alert that I'm going to give is bigger than both of them combined. I think it's going to more than double easily. It's a huge trade alert. Now, it's going to be completely free to you, adding a ton of value to you, and it's going to be exclusive video dropping on Friday. You'll get it in your email exclusive to the FFA. It will only be inside the FFA, our Financial Freedom Academy, our exclusive membership site. Now, if you're not a member of our exclusive membership site, it's your lucky day because for 24 hours, you can sign up right down below, cryptocrewuniversity.com. You're also going to get the first week free and you can cancel at any time and you get this trade alert on Friday. I cannot make your life any easier. I cannot provide any more tremendous value to help improve your life. It's literally silly if you don't sign up. You get the first week free, you can cancel at any time, and you're going to get this huge trade alert, which in my honest opinion, it's going to more than double. What would that do to your portfolio? Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. The clock is ticking, and I might pull the plug before the countdown clock runs out if too many people sign up. So go there right now, lock in your seat. On Friday, the bonus video drops. Let's get back to our video. Now, what I'm going to show you is price action above, MACD at the bottom. Let's do price action first. Let's do MACD second. Price action first. We're in a little bit of limbo here, right? The market is having tremendous trouble with this 29K. We covered it in our weekly chart, which is very easy to see. Since 2020, it's been a critical level. And here we are right now battling this level, not holding it as support. As we've mentioned previously, once Bitcoin gets the body of a candle, a monthly candle, to close above this 29K as support, the bears don't have a leg to stand on anymore. Structurally, that eliminates us for the potential to be in a bear market, and it solely puts us in a bull, and it becomes non-debatable, right? Just based on facts in the charts, there's no way for anyone who is incredibly bearish to look at Bitcoin when Bitcoin has the body of a candle holding as support on a monthly chart at 29K. It's not debatable anymore, right? I am a firm believer that's not debatable now. There's still a lot of debate out there in the market. We've been saying that the bull run was coming in 2023 for probably about 8 months, and we were right on schedule. All right, we follow the cycles like a hawk. We focus on the larger picture, and it's abundantly clear that we're in phase one of the bull. Okay, but we have a problem in front of us. This white line right here, which was the body of this candle and all of the wicks of these candles, that's where we're at right now. The reason that this level is so important is that when we had our market cycle first top and we came back down, there was huge buying pressure here. Smart money was all over this level. They saw it clear as day, right? These wicks tell you how much buying pressure came into the market. After that buying pressure came into the market, we had enough momentum to rally upwards. When we did, we were met with resistance and we had our double top. Once we had our double top, we had incredibly strong bearish divergence, which plummeted the market. We tried to hold here. You can see this huge wick. All right. There was buying pressure coming in, buying up this area, but it wasn't enough. We had so much downward momentum from our double top, from that bearish divergence that broke, that it just pushed the market down and further and further. And then we built our bottom. When we built our bottom, we had incredibly strong bullish divergence. We had market cycle bottom 1 in June, the second bottom in November, holding critical market structure from our 2018 top. This is all of the crypto market, Bitcoin including all altcoins. So where we are today is we're back at this level, not holding it as support, but there's a huge tug of war between the bulls and the bears. It's a big tug of war right now, and everybody understands the significance of this level. That's why it's such a big tug of war. But at the end of the day, the bull run is going to win because we're in phase 1 of the bull. But it's going to be slow. It's going to be methodical, just like every other phase 1 of every bull that Bitcoin has ever seen in the history of Bitcoin. Most people believe, once you enter Bitcoin bull run, it just goes up. No, it's never done that in any bull run ever. The only time that we entered a bull and prices just went up for no reason was 2018, which is why it was short-lived. We went up for a couple months and it was too fast, too quick. We didn't build market structure and everything fell apart. So no, we don't want to do that. And no, that is not typical, not normal. That's the only time it's ever done that. And it only did it for a couple months. And that's why it fell apart. Here we are holding resistance to this area, needing to hold support. But our answer could lie within the MACD cross. A MACD cross on the monthly, nothing to play with. We haven't had one in years, like literally. We haven't had a cross up since here, June 2020, when we came out of the COVID crash. We came out of that little bear cycle and we entered the bull cycle, and that MACD cross gave us the momentum to go from about 9,000 to 65,000. It was an enormous run, and it happened with the MACD cross. If we look at the prior MACD cross, we had a MACD cross here, which came out of the bear into the bull. And if we look at even the earlier cycles of 2015, right, we had that MACD cross happen right here with this candle. This was phase 1 of the bull then. It was also phase 1 of the bull in 2019. When you have a bear market, you have a double bottom, and you come out of it with this. This is phase 1 of the bull. The MACD cross in 2015 happened in phase 1 of the bull. The MACD cross in 2019 happened in phase 1 of the bull. And if we go back even further, this MACD cross in 2012, guess what? It happened in phase 1 of the bull run, where we were nowhere near our all-time high, right? We were nowhere near our all-time high. We were at about $7. Our all-time high was about $33. Phase 1 of the bull sees a MACD cross. So what does it mean? Well, we have to study our past charts to know what this new MACD cross means. We understand we're in phase 1 of the bull. But what happens next? Well, when you go back to 2019, we talked about it. Short-lived, no market structure, grew too fast. But this COVID crash, we came out of the COVID crash, the bear was finished, the bull started, and we were off to the races. But this started phase 2 of the bull run, which we're nowhere near this phase 2. So it's not comparable to that. It's more comparable to the beginning of phase 1. And same with 2015, right? We had the MACD cross here. What I will show you is Bitcoin has been very similar to the fractal patterns of 2015. And it's evidence in every chart that we study on this channel. 10, 20, 30 charts on this channel dictate that we're very closely following the geometric patterns of 2015. And what happened after the MACD cross in 2015 in phase 1 of the bull, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months of quiet price action, building incredibly strong market structure. And that market structure that we built for those 5 months was the pinnacle reason that Bitcoin had such a phenomenal bull run. That market structure was literally the market structure that we came back down to retest many, many months later with this August 2016 candle. Look at the wick came right down here. That used to be our resistance. That resistance turned into our support, and this resistance turned into this support. We just stair-stepped our way up until we reached a new all-time high. And once you reach a new all-time high, that's the euphoria phase. That's where things are just on fire, where you can't make a wrong decision. Okay, we're nowhere near phase 2. We're going to be in phase 1 for at least a year from now, and we'll get more into that with future videos. So if Bitcoin continues to follow 2015, we had this MACD cross. We're in phase 1. We should have a few months of quiet price action, building incredibly strong market structure, the strong structure that will help us propel into a nice, healthy bull run. Let me know in the comments down below. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. As I mentioned, I can't make your life any easier. First week free, cancel anytime. Get that huge trade alert dropping on Friday exclusively in the FFA. Financial Freedom Academy will change your life, so be prepared for your life to be changed for the better. I'll see you right back here in the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs. Are you looking to take control of your financial future and gain financial freedom? I have an incredible opportunity for you. This academy is going to change so many lives. Take absolute beginners to expert in the crypto space. My mini courses also teach step-by-step wealth building and wealth protection with my 7-step process to gain financial freedom. This is your opportunity on a golden platter.